Welcome people, it's your girl Krissy, and I'm back at it again with another video.
Another one.
And in today's video, I am back with another tech unboxing video, or I guess a lighting equipment unboxing video. I picked up a softbox light, or I guess two softbox lights on Amazon, and I'm going to unbox them with you guys today. This is what it looks like. I actually bought this for my brother as a early Christmas gift, I guess. So we are going to unbox it, and I'm just going to show you how to set it up and how it would look versus my ring light. I am using one ring light currently for my lighting, and I'll also leave on the screen or in the description section below what camera settings I currently have, so you guys can see the difference in how the quality looks. I'll also use my phone to show you a difference in quality between the ring light and the soft box. Since it is his, I won't be putting up both of them, but I'll pretty much just put up one so you guys can see. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thick thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel to become a part of the K-Stylers, because you don't know, over here we be styling and wilding. So without further ado, let's just dive in. I'm about to cut up the box, or not like cut up the box, but we gonna open her up. Alright, so we open in the box. Lord, I want me to cut nothing. So pretty much this is for anyone who is just starting up their business. They want to start a YouTube channel and they feel like, they don't have the lighting down packed, or they don't have, a lot of natural lighting because they live in a basement or something. I don't know your living situation, but I'm here to help you all out. You know what I'm saying? So I did do a ring light unboxing on my channel. I'll leave it in the card in this video, and you guys can go ahead and check that video out. It is currently the ring light that I'm using now, and I decided I'm just going to show you guys this softbox. So I will say this one is the mount dog. I'm not sure. I'll tell you guys in a sec, but pretty much this is what the box looks like. So we have these two things right here. I'm gonna rest them right here, and we have this right here, which is pretty much the bag, and it is the mount dog, if you guys can see, but it is the mount dog soft boxes. So that is pretty much the bag that you would put all your the little soft box and your tools and everything in. And then we have this little box right here. Let's see what comes in it. So in this box we have one of the bulbs, the actual light. So we're gonna open her up. She is huge. She long, like compared to my head. Like, this is what she looks like. Wow, right? This looks like it could give me some power, some lights. And then I'm assuming this is the sticks, or the stand, I should say. I don't know why I said sticks. This is a stand. So pretty much you get two of this. You get two of the bulbs, and then you get two of the umbrella / soft boxes. I am going to just construct one so you guys can see, and I'll probably, well, let's start with I'm all over the place, but let's start with the stand first, because this is our base. So it pretty much sets up like, actually it's easier to set up than the ring light. You pretty much just pull it out, kind of like a tripod, you have the notch right here. Let me zoom in. You have the notch right here to pretty much just tighten and loosen the stand. So once you do that, it can open up, and you pretty much just slide it down and you get this little triangular thing. So I'm gonna rest it down on the ground, and I'm going to open this top notch right here so I can pull this up, because we kind of want it as a good little length. And then I'm going to turn it in the opposite direction to tighten it. So to loosen it, we are going to go this way, like counterclockwise. So that way we can pull, hold on, let me drop this back down so you guys can see. So we loosen it counterclockwise, so that way the stand can be adjusted to the length that you want it. And once it is at the length you want, you're going to pretty much just turn it clockwise, you know, lefty loosey, righty tighty, to tighten it so it doesn't go anywhere. And pretty much that is our stand. Okay, let me chill. And then we are going to go. Alright, this part I have no idea what I'm doing with this because I've never used this before, and I don't think they came with like an instructions on how to put it in. I'll check the bag once again to see, but I'm pretty sure it's like pretty self-explanatory. So this has a cord for the power outlet, and it just have a little notch on the cord. It has a switch on the outlet on the cord where you turn it on and off. It has an on and off button, and this is the umbrella, the Softbox. You open her up, she has the, you know, the foil, the light. Oh, whoa, 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 this don't seem right. Okay, so when you open her up, she has this like tin foil type thing on the inside, which pretty much is just gonna reflect the light. And this is how the back looks. So we are going to attach her. So to attach her, we are going to put this section on top into this section. We're just going to fit it in. Hold on. I just took that part off, and now I'm just tightening her so she can't go nowhere. And pretty much she's on the stand. This is what it looks like. And you can loosen this section for it to go back, forward, pretty much to adjust where you want the Softbox to go, how low, how high. So we're going to keep her right here, and we're just going to tighten her, and then this one is for attaching it onto the stand. So what we're going to pretty much do now is open her up. So this is what she looks like. This seems pretty loose. But we are going to attach the light in here. Wait, what the hell? Okay. Okay. Let me turn it closer. So pretty much you have to snap the ring down to connect the light bulb. So that is in there and it forms the shape. Then what we're going to do is we're going to attach this covering. They do have about 1, They have like 4 Velcro going around this white covering as well as on the edge of the softbox, so you can like hook it. So you hook it like that. You hook it like this, and then you kind of just put the Velcro on. Just attach it. And this is what it looks like right now. So this is what she looks like. I'm going to bring her up a little bit and adjust her to go, ouch, no, just hurt my finger. I'm going to adjust her to go down a little bit, and this is what she looks like. What we're gonna do is turn her on. Turn her on. This is what she looks like. So, okay guys, this video is all over the place, but bear with me. So pretty much this is what my video looks like with the ring light on full brightness. I don't have my normal room lights on. It's like about 5 p.m. right now, and it's not really giving me that much natural sunlight. So the light that I'm getting right now is all from the ring light on its fullest brightness mode, and we're going to turn that off, and I'm going to show you how my camera settings look. This is just one of the softbox with the same camera setting. It is giving me a little bit of light, but not too much. If I had both of them, I think it would be a lot better. If I had both the softboxes, I think it would give me good light. I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna see if you guys can see like a difference with the one softbox. I think it's pretty decent, and I'm gonna go and turn on both the softbox and my ring light on full brightness to show you guys how it would look. I can't really see because I took my glasses off. I mean, it seems pretty bright right now. Hopefully I'm not too washed out. So right now with the softbox and the ring light on its brightest settings, I'm a bit washed out. Xander, can you like turn the knob of the ring light and find like a good balance? Am I still washed out?
I think right there is good.
So according to Xander, my boyfriend, he says this is like a good balance to where I'm not washed out, but I'm bright enough. So I'm taking his word for it.
No recording experience.
But pretty much this is just one softbox light. For some reason I thought it would be brighter, but I can imagine if there's like 2 of them and a ring light, the lighting would be really good once you have the right camera setting and everything like that. I do have a recording to show you guys how my phone is looking. It looks a bit weird. You're seeing the ring light, you're seeing the mic, it's fine. But when I used to record with my phone, this is pretty much how it probably would look with the lighting, and then I just edit it and kind of just play around with it a little bit. But if you are a new YouTuber, if you're just starting your new business and you want to do some photo shoots or whatever, studio, you want to work in studio, I think these soft boxes are really good, and you know, they're affordable. They were probably about $60 and you get 2. Do handle these with care because I mean it is $60. You're gonna get what you pay for, so keep that in mind. But if you are interested, just check out the link in the description box below to get yourself some soft boxes for your videos. I'm always here if you are a small YouTuber and just an upcoming entrepreneur and you need some good lighting and stuff like that. I'm here. Everything will be in the description box below. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. It's your girl Krissy, and I am signing out. Don't forget to stay positive and let life surprise you, because it will anyways. Later.